Hey foodies, we are still in the Ghana month, and today I want to show you a very nice delicacy from the Volta region of Ghana. Yes, this meal will come across to you like a bar or a tour, but trust me, it's nowhere near it. This is called Piñon. Piñon is usually made with pork and very spicy. So join me as I show you how to make this wonderful delicacy. To start with, we are going to marinate and steam our pork, and with that I'm going to use my favorite spices. So I started with some pepper stock that I had and some other spices that I will be listing in the description box. I forgot to add some salt, so I came back to add it and gave it a stir and then cover it up to marinate for about an hour. After that, I came to steam it, and this is how we got it. Pork is quite soft, so you don't need to leave it on fire for so long. And so after just about 5 to 10 minutes, it was quite okay. And so I took it off fire and I went straight up to go and fry it. I poured in my oil, and after it was heated up, I poured my pork and flip it to the other side and make it a little golden brown. And this is exactly what we had. So I'm going to take it out of fire and I'm going to continue with my sauce. This meal is also a Togolese meal. And trust me, there's some meals that you can't tell if it's really nice until you try it. This one of that. So you need to try this recipe and test for yourself that this is really nice. So I continue by adding some onion to the oil we fried the pork with and added in some tomato paste. After stirring it and leaving it to fry for some time, I went ahead to add my tomato and pepper blend. Okay, give this a very wonderful mix and allow it to simmer for some time. So I came back and it was quite okay. So I added in my other ingredients, like first of all, I went with the stock, which is very, very important. You need a stock. The stock is absolutely important in this dish. So make sure you have some stock from the meat you are using. I added some chunks of garlic to give it a little more flavor, and I added in my seasoning cube, my salt, and some onion. I'm going to cover this and allow it to boil for some few minutes, and I came back to add in my gari. This is it. So I added my gari and immediately I stirred it up. It's like cooking banku, okay? You just have to continue stirring it. I think some people actually make the stew quite dry, and then when they are done, they add in hot water. For me, I want the sauce and the spice to be intact, and so I'm sure it's also intact when you use that way, but I want it quite more intact, and so I went ahead with this recipe, and trust me, this is the best. You want to try this to actually know what exactly I'm talking about. Don't forget to stir it up, because that's not the end. You continue to stir it up and break any lumps in it, okay? So remember, this is made on fire. It's not like Gari Photo where you take out the stew before you mix and all of that. This is actually cooked on fire. And when we are done, I'm going to cover it up and allow heat to go in there. The heat to make it quite okay for us. And then that's it. We are done, and this our Piñon. Yes, it's called Piñon, Gari Piñon. I'm going to dish it out, and don't forget to add your pork and add a little more spice, because like I told you, this meal is best enjoyed when spicy and also with a lot of pepper, okay? And you can see the chunks of garlic in there. Trust me, it's amazing to have the garlic in there. When you're eating it, you can't really feel it, but you can actually taste that it's very, very, like, you can actually taste it. So finally, this is our food, and like I said, it's made from the Volta region of Ghana. So my Voltarians, try this recipe if you haven't discovered it, because for me, it's my first time making it, and I absolutely love it. The kids love it. They came to the kitchen, "Mommy, what's that flavor? I can smell it." They love it. Everybody loves it. So try it and let's know how it tastes, okay? Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And so we meet in my next video. Have a great, wonderful day, and bye. Let's cook later.